All right, it's Senior Prestige Motorsports. We're in the Donna room here. So we had a customer call up. He's having an issue with his engine. It sounded kind of terminal. So we had him send in, and in the process, we understood that he put a Terminator stealth system on it. And so we asked him to send the ECU in with it and everything like that, because we weren't involved in that type situation. So we got it in, and I downloaded the information, and I'm going to show you a couple things here. So this table here is the air-fuel ratio, and as you can see, it's 13.5 up full throttle and stuff, which is really, we try to set them 12.8, 12.5 right in there. So it's a point too high, too lean, so that's not good. The real problem, we'll go over to the timing one, come over here, wide open throttle is 39 degrees. Basically, we recommend 32 degrees. So this is death right here. And the other problem is you come down here, 44 degrees. So, and you say, oh, that's not wide open, but the problem is so you're going down the road and you wide open throttle and you go to shift and you close the throttle blade. Well, it jumps down here, and then you shift and you hit the gas pedal hard, and it's 44 degrees before it jumps back up into there. So instantly goes into detonation. So basically, when you have something like this, that's what you end up with. So not good. So there again, this customer, he could have reached out to us when he was doing this. We could have definitely helped him through this process and not gone into this deal. So take a short little minute here to kind of explain some of the things we're trying to do here at Prestige. If you've noticed, we're trying to do a lot of videos. We call them tech videos. A lot of it, it's a twofold deal. Obviously, we're trying to explain to the world that we feel we do our level of quality and expertise is really, really good. We're trying to explain that to consumers. But the other part of it is like the one I did the other day on the gentleman in the shop and stuff like that. That customer was the nicest guy in the world. And here he got financially just devastated, on somebody. Basically, they didn't know what they're doing. So let's just say, in a perfect world, maybe the next shop will watch these videos, or your friend, you'll share it with your friend, and before he jumps off and gets a Terminator X or anything of that nature, and make sure that he understands the criteria within this, or he calls Prestige, and we have all these load programs that we can sell you. And that's why here at Prestige we're just so emphatic about having a turnkey engine, because this customer obviously has got a bag of crap, so it's not good on anybody. So maybe help us share the word, share them, and get it to your car clubs and all your hot rod buddies, and have a great day.